Good day everyone, this is your Mark TV and sa video na to ay pag-uusapan natin about addition of polynomials. So, bago natin na umpisahan nito is mangyari na kailangan meron kayong alam sa pag-add ng monomials. Kasi kung hindi, kailangan nyo munang panoorin yon. Okay? Kasi magagamit yan dito sa video na ito or sa lesson natin. Okay? So, ito po yung polynomials na i-add natin. Ano po? So, paano tayo mag-add ng polynomials? To add polynomials, we have to combine like terms within those polynomials. So, for example, di ba, 2a plus 3b plus 3a minus 5b. No? Bale, makikita natin na ang like terms dito ay 2a at saka 3a, and then the other one or the other set of like terms are 3b at saka negative 5b. Kaya negative 5b kasi may minus sign eh. So, negative 5b po yun. Okay, and then we're going to combine those set of terms into one term. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung lesson na ito about addition of polynomials, so magbibigay nga tayo ng examples. So, we have number 1 here. So, we are going to add 2a plus 3b by 3a minus 5b. So, isa sa pinakamadaling paraan is i-add natin by using vertical method. So, ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Isulat mo na yung first polynomial like 2a plus 3b, and then i-add natin sa second polynomial 3a minus 5b. So, isulat natin yung second polynomial such that sa bawat term ay naka-align sa term ng unang polynomial. That is, 'di ba? Itong 3a itatapat natin sa 2a. Kaya isusulat natin yung 3a sa ilalim ng 2a. Okay? And then para naman sa negative 5b, no? Kaya may minus sign. So negative 5b, isulat natin yung negative 5b sa ilalim ng positive 3b. So negative 5b. And then we're going to add those two polynomials. Ano po? So, i-add natin itong dalawa. So, again, kapag like terms, kino-combine yan sa iisang term. Okay? So, 2a plus 3a, that is equal to 5a, and then plus 3b, or positive 3b minus 5b, magkaiba kasi yung sign, so you have to subtract those two numbers, so magiging negative 2b. Okay, kaya negative 2 kasi mas malaki si negative, kaya negative siya. Okay, so the answer is 5a minus 2b. Now, there's another way to add polynomials. So first, i-highlight muna natin yung like terms dito para madali nating makita yung like terms po na i-add natin. So let's start off with 2a, and then yung katulad ni 2a ay 3a. Ayan po, no? So that we have alternate tayo. Alternate solution ika nga, no? So isulat natin as 2a plus 3a. Ayan. And then, i-highlight naman natin another set of like terms. We have positive 3b at saka negative 5b. So, we have plus 3b minus 5b. Ayan. And then, saka natin i-combine yung like terms, no? Katulad ni 2a at saka 3a, no? So, 2a plus 3a magiging 5a. And then, para naman sa isa, positive 3 minus 5 or positive 3 plus negative 5, that is equal to negative 2b. So indeed, ang sagot po dito ay 5a minus 2b. So it's up to you kung alin dyan sa methods ang gagamitin ninyo as long as comfortable or convenient para sa inyo. Okay? Next, number 2. We have 3y squared minus y plus 4 plus 2y squared minus 4. So first, i-add muna natin yung dalawang polynomials vertically. So 3y squared minus y plus 4. Okay? And then, para naman sa second polynomial, 2y squared minus 4, isulat natin term by term such that yung term na yon ay dapat naka-align sa ka-like term niya. Okay? Or katulad niyang term. Okay? That is, yung 2y squared, i-align natin sa 3y squared. Isusulat natin sa ilalim ni 3y squared. So, 2y squared po yun, no? Tapos, itong negative 4, no, isa siyang constant term. So, i-align natin siya dito sa positive 4. So, isulat natin yung negative 4. Okay? Ayan po. And then, saka natin i-add yung two polynomials. Ano po? So, that we have 3y squared plus 2y squared. Madali na lang yan. 3 plus 2 yun equals 5y squared. And then we have negative y here. So, we just bring down. Wala naman tayong i-add dyan. And then, we have positive 4 plus negative 4. So, ang sagot dito ay 0. Okay? So, ang sagot dito ay 0. Ayan. Pero, as a term, di na kailangang isulat yung 0. We just cancel out instead. Okay? Kasi additive inverse naman sila. Kapag additive inverse sila, yon, magka-cancel sila. Okay? So, di mo na kailangang isulat yung 0 as the term. Okay? Kaya ang sagot po dito ay 5y squared minus y. Ayan. Or, kung gagawin nating horizontally, alternate solution, i-highlight muna natin yung like terms, no? We have 3y squared here, tapos 2y squared. Tapos another set of terms dito ay positive 4 tsaka negative 4. So wala namang ibang term na may y din, okay? Ito lang ang nag-iisa, no, na may y. So ayun. Isulat na natin, igrupo na lang natin together yung like terms. Ano po? So we have 3y squared plus 2y squared. Ayan po yung nakakulay blue or my y squared. Tapos, isunod naman natin yung minus y. No? Kasi dapat naka yan, standard form. Pababa yung exponent. And then, yung plus 4 naman, tsaka minus 4. So, plus 4, minus 4. Ayan. And then, we're going to combine those terms together. So, we have 3y squared plus 2y squared magiging 5y squared. And then, copy negative y kasi walang ibang terms na y din. Ano po? So, minus y. And then, for this one, plus 4 minus 4, we have positive 4 tsaka negative 4 dito, no? And kapag pinagsama mo sila, magiging 0 siya. So, we just cancel out those two. Kasi 0 ang sagot nila So, ayun, di natin kailangang isulat yung 0 as the term. Kaya ang sagot po dito ay 5y squared minus y. So once again, kayo nang bahala doon kung alin sa dalawa ang gagamitin ninyo as long as maluwag sa inyo. Okay? Okay, so let's move on to number 3. So we have 3a squared minus 2b squared plus ab plus 5ab minus 6a squared plus b squared. So let us highlight first i-highlight muna natin yung like terms. So we have 3a squared at saka negative 6a squared. Ayan. Tapos we have negative 2b squared here, no? At saka 5ab. Ay no. Positive b squared. Ayan. So sila yung like terms, no? Yung b squared. Tapos another set naman po is positive ab at saka positive 5ab. Okay? And then isulat natin yung terms na nakagrupo na. So 3a squared muna plus b squared minus 6a squared, no? Yung mga nakakulay blue. So 6a squared. Next, yung naman naka-orange, no? Para mas para makita natin na pababa yung exponent ng a, descending order. So plus ab plus 5ab. Tapos, yung naka-green naman, which is yung may b squared. So, negative 2 b squared plus b squared. Ayan. And then, saka natin pagsamahin yung like terms. Okay? Ito, tsaka ito. Ayan. 3a squared minus 6a squared, that is negative 3a squared. Again po, mas mataas si negative, kaya negative siya. Tapos, for this one, plus AB plus 5AB. So, 1 plus 5. No? Ito yung 1 eh. Matic 1 na to. So, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. So, plus 6AB. And then for this one, negative 2B squared plus B squared. Again, this is 1 as the numerical coefficient. So, negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1B squared. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, dahil 1 yung numerical coefficient, you do not read that. You do not need to write that number 1. Okay? So, negative b squared na lang po ang isulat natin. Kaya ang sagot po ay negative 3a squared plus 6ab minus b squared. Okay, next, number 4, we have x cubed plus 2x minus 6 plus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 4. So first, i-highlight muna natin yung like terms. We have x cubed at saka 2x cubed. Next, i-highlight naman natin yung may x. We have positive 2x at saka negative 5x. Ito po yun. Okay? And then, i-highlight pa natin yung another set of like terms. We have negative 6 at saka positive 4. Sila naman yung constant terms. Itong 3x squared, wala siyang ibang term na x squared din. So, mag-stay lang siya. No po? So, i-add natin. Or i-grupo muna natin yung terms. Po? So, isulat muna natin yung terms na i-add natin. X cubed plus 2x cubed. Ayan po yung nakakulay blue, no? Or x cubed. Next is 3x squared. So, squared muna, no? Kasi isusulat natin in standard form. Pababa yung exponent. So, plus 3x squared. And then, yung may x, no? Yan muna natin. Ayan. Positive 2x at saka negative 5x. Ayan. And then yung constant terms na negative 6 plus 4. Ayan. And then, saka natin i-combine yung mga like terms. So, x cubed, x squared, isa lang siya, yung x, tsaka yung constant. So, x cubed plus 2x cubed, that is, ito, 1 na to eh. Diba? So, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3x cubed. And then, we just copy 3x squared here. And then, we have 2x minus 5x, or positive 2 minus positive 5, that's negative 3x. So remember po, mas mataas si negative, kaya negative 3. And then we have negative 6 plus 4. Again, mas mataas si negative, so negative 2 po. Okay? So the answer is 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 2. Ayan. Okay, next, number 5. Find the sum of 3 minus x squared plus 4x and 3x squared minus 5x minus 8. So as you can see, we have a keyword here which is sum. No? So ibig sabihin, addition po yan. So ibig sabihin, i-add natin tong dalawang polynomials. 3 minus x squared plus 4x plus 3x squared minus 5x plus 8. Kasi meron tayong keyword na sum nga, 'di ba? Ayun po. So, i-highlight muna natin yung like terms. So, umpisa tayo sa x squared, no? So, we have negative x squared tapos 3x squared. Ayan. Tapos, yung para naman sa x, we have positive 4x at saka negative 5x. And then, para naman sa constant terms, we have positive 3 at saka negative 8. Kaya naman, isulat natin yung terms na nakagrupo na. So, negative x squared muna tayo, tsaka 3x squared. So, plus po yun. no? 3x squared. Tapos, para naman sa x, we have positive 4x and then we have negative 5x. And then constant terms, we have positive 3 and negative 8. Ayan. And then let's combine these terms all together. Okay? Just like this. So, ito, negative x squared, ang numerical coefficient nito ay negative 1. So, negative 1 plus 3 is positive 2x squared. Then, for this one, 4x minus 5x or 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. So, hindi natin kailangang isulat yung 1. Ano po? So, negative na lang po. So, negative x. And then, 3 minus 8. So, what is 3 minus 8 or 3 plus negative 8? That's negative 5. So, therefore, the answer is 2x squared minus x minus 5. Okay? Number 6, tatlong polynomials ang i-add natin this time. Ano po? So, we have 5x minus 3 plus 2 minus 2x plus 3x plus 5. So, this is easy kasi pwede nating i-highlight yung mga like terms. Kagaya ng 5x dito, tapos negative 2x at saka 3x. Sila po yung like terms. And then another set of like terms, we have negative 3, which is the constant term. Yung positive 2 at saka positive 5. Yan. And then isulat natin yung terms na nakagrupo na like 5x, then minus 2x or negative 2x, and then plus or positive 3x. Ayan. And then para naman sa constant terms, negative 3 plus 2 plus 5. Ayan. And then ayan na, pwede na natin i-combine yung like terms. Okay? So, 5x minus 2x, so 5 minus 2 equals 3, and then 3 plus 3 equals 6x. Tapos, for this one, negative 3 plus 2, that's negative 1 po yun. And then, negative 1 plus 5 is positive 4. So, therefore, ang sagot sa number 6 ay 6x plus 4. Okay. And then, let's try this one, no? Kung naintindihan ninyo kung paano tayo mag-add ng polynomials. So, you can pause this video to give yourself time to answer, and when you're ready, keep on watching to reveal the answer. So, first, i-highlight nga natin yung yung like terms, no? Let's start with x squared. So, yung x squared here, tapos negative 2x squared, at saka positive 2x squared. Ayan. Okay? Next naman po, we have x muna tayo, no? X muna. So, we have negative x at saka negative 3x. And then, para naman sa constants, we have negative 5, positive 3, at saka isa pang positive 3. Ayan. And then, saka natin isulat yung terms na naigrupo na. So, unahin natin si x squared. We have x squared minus 2x squared plus 2x squared. Okay? And then, para naman sa x, we have negative x minus 3x or negative 3x. And then, para naman sa constant terms, we have negative 5 plus 3 plus another 3. Ayan. And then, we're going to combine those group of like terms together. Okay? So, ayusin nga natin. Ito, pagsasamahin natin, diba? Tapos ito, yun, pagsasamahin natin. Alright, so we have x squared minus 2x plus 2x. So, ito magiging 1 na to. So, as you can see, tingnan nyo, we have negative 2 here, tapos we have positive 2 here. And kapag pinagsama mo tong dalawa, maka-cancel out sila because they are additive inverse. So, we're going to cancel out those two, no? Dahil opposite naman sila, kaya ang matitira na lang po ay 1x squared or simply x squared na lang po. Okay? For this one, negative x minus 3, that is negative 1 plus negative 3 po yun. So, that is equal to negative 4. So, negative 4x. And then, para naman sa isa, negative 5 plus 3 plus 3, You can cancel kasi para silang positive, no? So, negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. Tama? Negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2 plus 3 equals positive 1. So, wala namang variable na kasama. So, isusulat natin yung 1. Okay? Kasi constant term siya eh. No? So, ang sagot po dito ay x squared minus 4x plus 1. And that's how you are going to add polynomials. So, lagi pong tandaan, kapag mag-add tayo ng polynomials, i-add po natin yung similar terms or like terms within those polynomials. Okay, so, kailangan ng practice at practice, no? Para masanay tayo sa pag-add ng polynomials. Okay? So, try and try lang po, no? Ng exercises like this. So, this concludes our video and I hope you have learned something. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me also on my TikTok account. And as always, thanks for watching and have a great day to all.